Yes, but so what I'm thinking is a repetition. What I'm thinking, well, what I have planned is repeating, updating, which is what I'm thinking of for this online web page or online content I have recently created, and I'm sorry. So maybe you have no idea about what I'm talking about. So how should I say? I'm thinking of. I should tell you. What I'm wondering is from where I should speak and and to start with, So I have no idea about what to talk about. And this is a kind of shocking. Of course, I have an idea to talk about, and this is about. And anyway, so let me tell you the title, and let me tell you the title of this episode, and the title is using AI beauties for adult content fine, which is and with recalls. So so what I'm trying to do is to create a online content or online article, which is and to not to which but which is going to be used for recording, or which is going to be used for a kind of an archive, which is the usage of that online content I have recently created. And anyway, what I'm thinking, and to start with, so why I'm worried about where to start, or which one to talk about is that. So so to start with, the terminology is controversial, which is my understanding. And anyway, so so if you have no idea about AI beauties, or the beautiful girls of artificial intelligences, so recently, so or not really, yeah, recently, so so not so specifying the actual time. So it's the last year in which so AI beauties has become widespread. And so so if you have, and so how should I say, so there are many cute girls online. And so what I'm saying is that of course the online world or the internet has many pictures of cute girls or busty girls, or curvy ladies or curvy girls, and including, and so in the case of adult content, so such that type of pictures are rife, and or that type of pictures are prevalent, or widespread. So but actually, so some people have no idea about, some people have no idea the meanings of the term, or of the word rife, or rife, or abundant. And so anyway, so rife is RIFE, not LIFE. So Japanese people would have get confused with by the word rife. And anyway, so AI beauties are the pictures of cute girls or busty girls in most cases, created by artificial intelligences. And in most cases, they are created by some softwares using ChatGPT, or using Python, for example. And anyway, so I don't know whether the pronunciation of that programming language Python is correct or not, but actually, so that programming language is used, which is what I have heard before. And anyway, so I have used those pictures of AI beauties, or those pictures of busty girls, or curvy girls, or busty ladies, or curvy ladies, created by, so how should I say, artificial intelligences, or computers with high technologies, or high technologies. Really, there are many. There is a brainy type of computers, or there is a smart type of computers, and which are smart enough to create pictures of curvy girls, really cute curvy girls, or really beautiful curvy girls. And I used those pictures for my adult content, or I used those pictures as models of, well, as the models of my adult content. I began to frequently create. Anyway, so I began to frequently create adult content, or pictures with captions, or erotic collages again. And anyway, so and anyway, this episode is for advertising that kind of that content, that online content, which is a kind of archive, or which is a record for keeping monitoring whether using those AI beauty, whether those pictures of AI beauties is fine or not, whether the purpose is to check to check and record and investigate whether using AI beauties for adult content is fine or not. And so anyway, so if you have any, so anyway, I haven't uploaded that content, that online content, but actually I'm going to upload maybe weeks after. And I'm recording this episode in the end of January in 2024. And anyway, so should I introduce some pictures? No, not some pictures, but some parts of this content. And for now, the conclusion is it is fine as of the time of the last check. The last check is the end of January 2024. And anyway, so in this time, it's fine to use AI beauties for adult contents. And I have no. Anyway, so I should not tell you the number of erotic collages, or not the number of pictures with captions I have created for adult contents. And anyway, to reach that record, so please check out the description column of this episode. Or please go to the description column of this episode so that you can find us the link of our web page of Medium. So from which, and by reading which, you can find us. You can find out, or you can read what is written in that record. So anyway, this is all the stuff I'd like you to know this time. So the title is using AI beauties for adult content fine, and with records. And I have created a new online content. I have created a new online content, which is the conclusion of this episode. So that's it. Thank you very much for listening. See you.